Good morning children, back to the class. What we are learning since today's onwards for fourth students English first. I was teaching you English grammar and what lesson I have started? Lesson subject and verb agreement. Lesson 11. So before the class what we have discussed? We have discussed and I have given you some work. And have you all completed that work? And some exercise I told you to do by yourself. So very few I told and the next you have to do. Then only you will be practiced and you will have one idea about it. Anyhow again I will give you PDF. That time you can check, cross check and if you have made any mistake you can erase and write. Anyhow you are using pencil. So these things you have to follow and please see the video, then only you will understand. Now part 1 onwards if you see only this lesson will be clear to you. So today let us start our exercise number 3 onwards. So subject and verb agreement, so that we were discussing. In this now we will see the exercise number 3. Exercise number 3 what? Rewrite the following sentences in the plural and make other necessary changes. So you have to write the list. So within this question what we can understand, it is in a singular form. So singular, then you have to change into the plural. The first one if you see, I never miss my class. I never miss my class. I never miss my class. So here what they have asked us to change into plural. You have to change into plural. So then we can understand I is a singular and plural. So this is a singular. Then I instead of I never miss my class. I will be changed when we change one person into the 2, 3 means we. We never miss our. So my will become when we are using. So here we is there. So our class. What is here? I never miss my class. That is a singular form it is there. Then now when we are changing, then what we have to do? We never miss our class. So here instead of I have used we and instead of our mine I have used our. Then the sentence is changed into the plural. The next one. This book is interesting. This book is very interesting. This book is very interesting. So, what is the next one? This book. B-O-O-K. Book. This book is very interesting. Very interesting. So here, what changes we have to do, we will see. This, instead of this, what we can write here? This book. So we have to change it to the plural. So what? This means what? These. T-H-E-S-E. These. This means one. And these means more than one. Though here the sentence, the plural, singular to plural we have changed. These book. Book can we say? So when we change it to the plural, then what are books? These books. So when many are there, can we use this form? No. So what do you have to use? These books are. These books are very interesting. So this very books are very interesting. Clear to you all? So I have changed the singular sentence into the plural. Understand wherever the necessary is there, so there all that I have done. So same way you have to do, my dear children, all the exercises they have given. So see the exercise and you have to see the subject and wherever the verb if you have to change, and make a plural sentences. So now let us go for the exercise number 3. What is next one? Exercise number 3 is over. Next exercise number 4. So in exercise number 4, what they are asking us to do? What is that? Fill in the blanks with was or were. Was or were. So the both words you see, was or were. So this was or were in which tense we use? In exercise number 2, we have seen that is, are, has, have. That all which tense I told? Present tense. This was and were we use in a past tense. Past. So in a past we will be using the was and were. So this things is already happened. We have done. So when it over, then we will be speak about the past. That we call as a past. So this was and were we will be using in a past tense. So now you have to make a past tense sentences. Hockey dash a very popular game of India. Hockey. So hockey means not now started. Long time. So what we will have hockey. So only one thing we are speaking. Here you have to remember two things. The subject is a singular or a plural. And other thing, and the verb, which verb you are taking. Singular verb you are taking or a plural verb you are taking. Was is comes under the singular and where it comes under the plural. So you have to remember where to use this was. The was will be used when the subject is a singular. The verb also will be a singular. When a subject is a plural, the verb also will be in a plural. So these things you have to remember. Another thing, these sentences blanks we are doing in a past tense. So hockey. So hockey word only one subject is a singular. So we can write the first one was. So singular, that's why I have taken was. Hockey was a very popular game of India. So was from last time onwards, now also it is. My teacher dash happy at my success. My teacher dash happy at my success. My teacher. I did not, here they have not given teachers. What they have given? My teacher. Means maybe a class teacher or a particular subject teacher. Anybody can be. So my teacher dash. So singular subject is a singular here. Then what we can? My teacher was. My teacher was happy at my success. Is it clear now? Because subject is a singular, I have taken the verb also as a singular. The next, I will see the fourth one we will see. Fourth one you see. The students, teacher and students. So now students, what they have given? Students, yes they have. So students is what? It is a plural. When plural comes, what I call verb? Were. So here you can use were. My students were fined for being late. So my students were fined. So because they came late, they have given the fine. So here my students were fined for being late. So that is already about. Since they came late, so that's why they have done. So this is the one. Like this you have to do in all the exercises you try to do now. The next exercise number 5. What is the exercise number 5? They have asked. What they have asked 5? Fill in the blanks with the correct word given in the bracket. Now your choice. here that may be a past tense, that may be a present tense, that may be a singular or a plural. You have to see the blank. According to that only you have to answer. So now you can tell me. Pollution dash a big problem of today. Pollution dash. Pollution dash a big problem of today. Now also it is a big problem. So what we can, pollution, what is a singular and other one is a is. So singular means is. Pollution is a big problem. The next one, which of these books dash yours? So books and these. So they are both word if you have seen which of these books, then you can use the are. Which of these books are yours? The next one, my scooter dash repairs. My scooter dash repairs. Scooter. Scooter is a third form, it is a it. So any particular subject, person, name or when we take, otherwise particular anything, things are that means we can call. My scooter, they have mentioned here scooter, their scooter. So what it comes, neither means, my scooter needs. When third form is there, we have to add yes. So my scooter needs. So same thing they have given. You try and I will give you in a as a PDF also I will give you, but you people also try so that it will be. And the last exercise number 6, what they have given, this is very easy. I will give you as a work, you do. What you have to do, look at the following sentences and correct the verbs that do not agree with the subject. So you have to underline which verb is not agreeing with. First one you see, the girls eats plenty. The girls eats. Can we say the girls eats? No. So eats word also you have to underline. The girls eat you have to say. They have given eats. So this is you can underline there. This yes should not be there. And then the girls eat plenty of fruits but they refuse to have vegetables. So refuses, no need. Refuse. So that word also you can underline there. So same thing you have to do in all the subject. And Sneena do not respect her elders. She can it come? She is getting a scolding from our neighbors. So because she is. So they have used, you have to change that one and you have to use their is. So like that you have to see the subject and then according to that you have to change the verb into the singular or a plural according to that. So this is the lesson about the subject and the verb agreement. I hope you have understood the lesson, and still if you have any doubt or anything confusion is there, you can talk to me and I will be clarifying your doubt. Thank you all.